So, hello online family and welcome to the Candid Cinema presents Candid Conversation Season 2. पैंडेमिक हो गया और हमारा सीजन 2 आते आते सितंबर. अब क्या करें, लेकिन बेटर लेट देन नेवर एंड वी आर हियर. So no ifs, no buts and no actions, no cuts this time. We are here with a very trending and a very serious topic. टॉपिक ये है कि पैंडेमिक तो हो गया, सबकी जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम्स तो आ ही रही है, लेकिन अगर हम स्टूडेंट्स को लेके एक इशू देखें, उनके एग्जाम्स को लेके इशू देखें, हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम भी ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है. तो उनकी इस प्रॉब्लम के सामने हमारी बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो मैटर बहुत ही कम करती हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दैट एंड टुडे वी हैव शीतल श्रावणी. वो अपने फाइनल ईयर में. हाय शीतल, वेलकम टू द शो. वी हैव विजेता मैम. वो
Namaskar.
Hello, ma'am. Welcome to the show.
Hello. Hi.
She's a teacher. And we also have Smita Mohanty, ma'am. She's a teacher and a counselor as well. So I would like you people to introduce yourself, and I'll start with Sheetal.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing good and I'm really delighted to join this conversation. Thank you Devamitra Di for providing me this platform. And I'm a student of English Honours and I'm actually currently pursuing my graduation in Ramadevi Women's University. And it's actually my last year and it was my sixth semester was scheduled long back in March, but due to lockdown it couldn't happen, and we all know the issues we were facing, and it's like Supreme Court was taking so much time to take the decision, Tariq pe Tariq, and finally we got the news ki
we have Smita ma'am here now, finally, and welcome ma'am.
Hello, everyone.
I hope you are doing well.
Yes, thank you so much.
We are glad having you on the board today. And
My pleasure.
yes, Sheetal will come to your
Yes,
question, and
please
thank you for
continue.
introducing yourself. And
Yeah, okay.
Bijita ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Yes. Hi, Namaskar. I'm Vijayata Patnaik, teacher at KIT International School. I also head the department of Inspiron, where we inspire students. So I'm very thankful to Candid Cinema for giving me a platform to share my views on what exactly the students are going through during this pandemic time. I'm very happy to share the platform with with a student as well as with Smita ma'am, who is a counselor. So I hope it's going to be a great learning experience for me. Thank you, Devamitra. Thank you so much.
It is a great learning for us as well, having you on the board. Thank you so much. And Smita ma'am, please introduce yourself. आपका वीडियो का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, थोड़ा ग्लिचेस हो रहे थे, हमने देखा, लेकिन as you are on the board now, I would like to know, and our viewers would like to know about you.
Thank you so much, Devamitra and Vijayata ma'am. I'm Smita Mohanty, working till 5 years as a counseling psychologist. Previously, I just joined Kendriya Vidyalaya. Now I'm working in LRDB Public School. I have collected so many difficulties during this pandemic situation because it has created a new history. We are not seen like that. So definitely thank you the Candid team. Those who are giving us the scope to share our view with our student. Definitely it will be create success in the student life too, and for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot. It's an honor having you all on the board. And जब तक पैंडेमिक है और पैंडेमिक के बाद भी इस न्यू नॉर्मल में हम आप लोगों से ऐसे ही मिलते रहेंगे, जूम के थ्रू या फिर किसी भी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू. So now coming to you, Sheetal, as you are student, and ये टॉपिक हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में ही है, उनकी डिफिकल्टीज के बारे में ही है. आप तो अपना फाइनल ईयर का एग्जाम्स भी अब तक दिए नहीं हो इसी प्रॉब्लम्स के चलते. सो माय क्वेश्चन टू यू वुड बी द फर्स्ट वन कि ऐसा हैफाजर्ड सिचुएशन में जो एग्जाम्स और एंट्रेंसेस का जो प्रॉपर एक कह सकते हैं कि डिल्यूजनमेंट है, तो इस चीज को लेके हाउ आर यू फीलिंग, हाउ आर यू गोइंग थ्रू, हाउ यू आर कोपिंग अप विद द सिचुएशन, और आगे के लिए आपका क्या जो प्लान्स है वो उस तरह से आप कैसे प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो?
Actually, मैं अगर start करूँ तो this pandemic of COVID-19 has completely changed the normalcy and the humdrum in our daily lives. You know, it's nothing which we used to do, a 9 to 5 job or सुबह उठना, जाना, school जाना, college जाना. It's nothing. It's completely changed. And the thing about exams, इतना कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था बच्चों भी, हमको वी वर टोटली कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट. इट वाज लाइक इट्स अ ओशन विदाउट अ कॉम्पास एंड वी डोंट नो वेयर टू गो बिकॉज हमारे एग्जाम्स कंप्लीट नहीं हुए. सो एज अ ग्रेजुएशन परस्यूइंग ग्रेजुएशन स्टूडेंट, सो वी नीड आवर ग्रेजुएशन सर्टिफिकेट टू मूव फॉरवर्ड इन आवर लाइफ. और उस without the graduation certificate we cannot even have a job or pursue higher educations, right? So if we do not appear our exams और हमको का certificate नहीं मिलेगा, so it's nothing of use. और इतने time से घर पे बैठना was getting very difficult for us. There were many of my friends, you know, they were like getting into depression कि यही सोच के कि आगे जाके क्या करेंगे. Even if it's nothing in our hands, we cannot do anything, we cannot stop this or we cannot change this thing. We know that we cannot do that, but still depression में थे बहुत सारे friends. It was very difficult time. अभी तो हमको notice मिला है, so we are having a particular idea what to do, what will happen next. Just recently, Supreme Court has released decision of conducting exams, but before that, it was very haphazard for us.
Right. So now, अभी जैसे आपने बोला कि आपके फेलो मेट्स जो हैं, आपके दोस्त लोग जो हैं, वो लोग इस चीज के साथ डील करते करते दे आर ऑल्सो यू नो उसी कंफ्यूजन के दौर से गुजर रहे हैं. एंड ये सिर्फ ग्रेजुएशन स्टूडेंट्स की बात नहीं है, ये हर एक स्टूडेंट की बात है जो अभी लाइक किसी का कंप्लीट यस बोर्ड ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी मैंने देखा हुआ है, ये बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल है. सो नाउ कमिंग टू
I feel like,
sorry, yeah, please.
I feel like the students, those who are going through a transition period, you know, after after completing the board exams or be it after completing the graduation, the main transition period for the students, they are stuck in between them, don't know what to do next. That is what I feel.
Yes, I completely agree. Now I will be coming to Bijeta ma'am. Ma'am, as you said that आप टीचर हैं, टीचिंग कर रही हैं इतने सालों से. टीचर और स्टूडेंट का जो रिलेशन होता है वो मतलब इट इज मोर लाइक अ पेरेंट एंड चाइल्ड्स रिलेशनशिप.
Absolutely.
एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि हम बोलते हैं कि स्कूल सेकंड होम होता है बच्चों के लिए, क्योंकि पहले हम घर से हमारा फॉर्मल एजुकेशन, प्राइमरी एजुकेशन खत्म करके फिर हम स्कूल जाते हैं.
Correct.
तो मैम ये जो अभी का ये जो कोविड का अभी सिचुएशन है, एज अ टीचर आपके लिए भी ये बहुत ही ज्यादा ट्रांजिशन पीरियड रहा होगा, ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म में एकदम से आना एंड उसके बाद यू नो बच्चों के साथ वो चीज फिर कोप अप करना. और मैंने देखा है टीचर्स आर द अनसंग हीरोज ऑफ दिस एंटायर थिंग, एंटायर पैंडेमिक.
Thank you.
I totally you know salute टीचर्स. मतलब उनका जो एफर्ट रहा है और अभी भी चल रहा है, क्योंकि हम लोग अभी भी इस चीज से निकले नहीं है. सो आप कैसे अपने आप को और स्टूडेंट्स को इस चीज में, इस दौर में मोटिवेट करते हो कि वो अपना जो विल पावर है एजुकेशन के लिए, पढ़ाई के लिए, एग्जाम्स के लिए, एंट्रेंस के लिए, वो किस तरह से मेंटेन करें? एंड उसके बाद सेकेंडली मैं अभी से ही आपको पूछ दे रही हूँ ताकि आप अपने आंसर्स के साथ इसको कंटिन्यू कर सको कि इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम जो है हमारा, ये पैंडेमिक के चलते हम सबने देखा है कि इट्स अ कंप्लीट के लिए, क्योंकि स्कूल्स बंद हो गए, 4 दीवारी के अंदर अब बच्चे आ नहीं रहे हैं, पढ़ाई हो नहीं रही है, सब कोई अपने अपने घर में ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई, एंड दैट इज नॉट मैचिंग अप टू द लेवल. So what would be your take on both these things?
Thank you, Debamitra. And as you said, I start my statement with that teachers, I believe, are not next to parents. They are the other parents to the students.
Completely agree. Yes, yes.
Yeah. So during this pandemic time, both teachers and the students realized how important we are for each other, and we are definitely missing each other a lot.
Yes, true.
At KIT International School, being a teacher over there, we started online classes immediately when government ordered the schools to remain closed. So initially, both teachers as well as the student faced some issues, but yes, somehow we started it well. We started only with the academic classes, but because at that time we never realized this is going to be this long, and we were not being able to predict anything. But then once we started these academic classes, then very soon we realized that this pandemic is not going to end soon, and we have to adapt to this new normal of online classes. So I would praise our school management as well as teachers who realized that at this point of time, we have to go beyond academics. Why? Why was it necessary? Because I connect what Seetal just said, that the students were starting getting depressed. The students were being entire day at home, and we were seeing this lockdown was impacting their mental health. The reason behind that is they were not being able to utilize their energy. They were not being able to go out to play. They were not being able to chit chat with their friends. They were not being able to do any mischievous activities within the four walls of home, for which they used to adore the schools a lot. And this what started making them miss the school, miss their friends, miss their teachers, and somehow or the other they were getting depressed day by day. So at KIT International School, we decided that, in order to motivate the students, we have to make the students feel like school at home. So now what we have started, we have introduced various programs along with academics. We have skills classes for higher education students, like for higher grade students, like we are performing simple scientific experiments which they can do or they can perform with things which they find at their home. Then we have quizzing classes, we have life skills classes, which is very, very important, so that the students remain encouraged, remain motivated, and we make them feel that this too shall pass. We have to make them feel that. Yeah, and we are also having various co-curricular classes, music, art, dance, so that they feel that they are part of the school. It is not just that we are here on the online platform just for the academics. One best thing about our school is our kindergarten and primary division have started special chit-chat classes for the students, where every day they interact with 4 to 5 students. The students are sharing their problems as well as they're sharing their happiness. Even our kindergarten teachers are making them go for a virtual picnic. They're showing them 3D pictures, they're showing them videos, they're taking them to zoo, where the students are all bringing their chips and all, and they're talking with each other during these picnic classes and all. So it's very encouraging, and it's a completely different environment when we see that. We are also encouraging the students to learn new things and on our social media, which are encouraging and motivating them to learn new things. At times, what we are doing with students, adolescent students, we are discussing with movies, we are discussing with them web series. Even, sometimes we ask the students to teach us how to operate the computer or how to, carry out this Excel sheets, and also that is making them very happy that we are teaching our teachers. So this is also something which is very fun for them. So it is making them talk to their friends like they do in the classroom. Sometimes we have these chit chat sessions, or we are discussing about some of the famous cases which are going on. So we take their views on that, and then all these things have started now making them relax, because now they have slowly started understanding that this is how it is going to go. But with all these facilities which as a school, which my school is providing to the students, for which we are really grateful to our chairperson, principal, vice principal, who are taking all these initiatives and thinking. So it is just making them feel that that, it is making them motivated and it is making them move ahead in life, whatever may be the situation. I belong to an organization called KIIT International School, which is founded by Dr. Achyuta Samant, and we know he is philanthropic ideas, and also I think that is one of the biggest encouragement and motivation to the teachers. He is motivating us, he is encouraging us, regularly being in touch with us, and teaching us to help students at this time. So yes, we are going through a very bad time. I completely agree with Seetal, and especially the students are suffering a lot. But I think with some efforts of schools and teachers, we can definitely bring a positive change in our children. And these students will definitely learn to find any such kind of situation in future.
Ma'am, I'm getting an extra question from what you said now, that
Yes.
there are many places, there are many students, many institutions which are not much privileged, and
Yes,
students do
correct.
not have access to internet everywhere in our country. They do not have access to proper gadgets through which they can
Correct.
study properly. Yeah, they can complete their studies. So yes, my question was, my second question, as I said, that failure in our education system. So, what would you say on this? Because this is a serious problem.
Yeah, I understand. So, Devamitra, I never feel education system of India has ever failed, because education is something which can never fail. You always don't need a gadget. I am part of not only BKIT International School, but through our schools we are also part of some of the social cause. Like our school have adopted a village which is around 8 kilometers away from Bhubaneswar. So when we were having these physical classes and all, we every Saturday, Sunday we used to visit to those village. We used to teach the children over there, and the children, there are around 100 to 120 children who are staying there. The conditions are economical, belonging to very economically poor background and all. So, but somehow or the other, I know the school conditions are pathetic, and they don't even have proper washrooms in the schools and all. So
Facilities, yeah.
yes, facilities are not proper. So I understand, yes, these facilities, and especially during this pandemic time when you don't have this internet facility or you don't have a good smartphone or a laptop, it's very difficult to cope up. But still, I don't feel that education system has failed, because education can never fail. Education can come in any way. We still have those famous stories of our parents कि मैं एक दिया के नीचे बैठकर पढ़ता था, and we have seen, we see our auto rickshaw driver children becoming IS officer. We see people working as a coolie in a platform and then cracking UPSC examinations or cracking chartered accountant. So education never fails. Education can never fail anyone. So definitely the system will also not fail. But yes, I do agree that we need some kind of reformation in our education system, so that we can bridge the generation gap, as well as we can bridge these problems what we are facing. And it is very important that our education system make the youth sensible and not just make the youth run behind the marks. We do have to come out of that traditional pattern of teaching and learning. At the same time, I believe that these tradition pattern will definitely act as a reference for the new generation teachers to learn different ways of teaching. So it is not that the system is failing. We just need to have some amendments. I think with the new education policy, once it is implemented successfully, maybe there will be some much awaited changes in our education system. But as a teacher, I believe the day we have all our youth, including students, including teachers, you people, every youth working towards the progress and betterment of this country, I think that particular day we can be sure that we have the best education system in the world. So
we can
yes.
say that the pandemic has done one thing good regarding our education system, that there is a reformation in making.
Yes, reformation in making. And as I said, education can reach students in somehow or the other way. We don't always need any gadgets. We don't always, definitely the way, obviously what privilege a student of KIT International School is getting, maybe that same privilege might not, we cannot provide the same privilege to a child who is studying in that village, but somehow we can make some part of the education reach there. And education doesn't mean physics, chemistry, biology, or mathematics, or SST reaching them. It could be anything. As I told you, we encourage our students to learn something new. If a child is even learning the skill of cooking, if a child during this pandemic time, if the child within that village is learning the skill of, you know, gardening, or the skill of decomposting their waste, I think that child is highly better than the person who is scoring about 95.
I completely agree with you. Now, I would come to Smita ma'am. Like, as we have discussed, as we have known earlier about you, that you are a counselor.
Yes.
And ma'am, the thing we all have been seeing during this pandemic, that we have never been in a situation like this before, and students, young generation especially, they're going under, they're undergoing tremendous stress, and many have lost their formal education, many are also losing their jobs. Opportunities are no longer there like before. So during this situation, as a counselor, where do you see the youth moving, and how badly outward incidents are impacting minds? Many negative incidents are happening, so which are encouraging suicidal tendencies. So what would you say about this?
Definitely. In the initial stage of this COVID-19, we got lots of call, not only in the student, from also some elder person also, those who are suffering from very depressive stages. Those who are also taking the medicine. I just talk with the old person, those who are doing the small business like a tea shopkeeper. Okay, they are also given a call. We are student, they know their family members are there, the teacher is also there to irritate you, because student previously using the teacher is irritating us. So every time as a counselor, I always talking with the student with the friendly way, because you know counseling is nothing, it's a talking therapy.
It's
We
the
all
conversation,
counseling.
yes.
Yes, we need a positive and a stable person, a trustworthy person, and counselor is the
Yeah,
best
a
person
companion
to
basically.
trust. Because in student life also, why they're getting very serious, because they're not going to trust anyone, they're not going to share their personal thing to any other, because they don't have any type of tolerance level also. If we are telling something, they're reacting so much. So in
True.
this situation, they're very getting very reactive, because they are thinking they're staying in a jail. Previously, when they are getting the chance to come school regularly, they are going to be irregular. We are just counseling them to be regular. But when they are staying more than 10 days, they are start calling us that when the school will reopen. And we are just saying a simple thing: if you are getting mentally disturbed, you just get your time to nourish your hobbies, because previously in a student life, we are not getting the chance to focus on our hobby, to nourish our talent. So initially I just recommended our students, maybe some student very good in cooking, very good in dancing or painting or whatever else. As Bijata ma'am has said, that life skill education, in our school we are doing that once in a week, that counseling session where we are boosting the self confidence, how you will deal with this type of situation, how you will control your aggression, because it is also noticed from our student. Sital is there, maybe she knows better. If the student are staying such a long period of time, a small question arise from their mother, they are getting very irritated. हाँ मैं तो बोली थी कर दूंगी, ऐसे कुछ
True, true.
रिएक्शन भी होता है. They are getting very aggressive
Yeah.
gradually, because they are not seen it previously. So we are also suggesting that this is the period where, if you are not focusing in your education, you just nourish your simple talent. You can give your more time to nourish your talent, to enrich your level of thinking, you can build up your confidence. And Debamitra, you said true that mental condition, mental health is more important than physical health. If you will mentally strong means you are strong enough. You can deal with every person or everything.
Absolutely.
And as Sital said, that we are also conducting virtual career talk or career exhibition. So the student also get that life is never end. Life is not ended here only. We are
Yes.
giving the scope to see, yes, the pandemic situation is there, a difficult situation there, but scope is vast to enrich your talent or
Of course.
enrich your power. Okay,
Of
we are
course.
also conducting career exhibition. That is virtual way. Physical way is very different from the virtual platform, and we learn so many things. Student, we are just giving you some tips that when you are previously getting the education physically, we are not acquainted like the technology. But now everyone is best in technology. Best example, our teacher. We are young generation, but we are just comparing with the elder person, senior teacher most. They are also very acquainted with the technology. That is the best thing.
Yes, yes.
Why?
Yes, yes.
Definitely. Why
Uh,
we are going
yeah,
to
yeah.
choose the,
Technology is the biggest evolution. Yes, yes.
yes, in this field we are getting educated in the technical field. Definitely, everyone. So previously we
Yeah,
are not like
yeah,
that,
yeah.
but we know something. That is another part. Every time, just go for the positive. If we will see the positiveness in everything, we will definitely see something different. But if we
Yeah.
will always doing and always thinking the negative, why it is happening, why when the school will reopen, then definitely you will face problem. If you will one day, you just take one day, one night to strong your willpower. One day you just think and talk yourself. So self talk is the most important for every people to make strong
Absolutely, ma'am.
one person. You
Ma'am,
just take
even I
one,
would say that
yes,
you have answered a major part of my second question. I was about to ask that how you as a counselor, you people are dealing with other people who are ignorant towards mental wellness, and what are the things you are coming forward with to help students with students dealing with this kind of dilemmas. So you have answered a major part of that question also. So I would like to, as we are running out of time now, we just have 10 minutes left. So I would like
definitely.
to bring your focus on that thing. So how
Okay.
exactly you are working towards it?
Now, first thing, be positive always. If the situation is very difficult, you stay positive. No one can bend you.
Yeah,
Second thing,
true.
give some time for yourself only. That is your self talk. Give some minute, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, maybe 1 hour. Talk yourself. What is your strength? What is your weakness? So that you can work on your strength only. You just go to decrease your weakness. Third thing is to focus on your interest. Education, as Vidita ma'am has said, education doesn't mean literacy. It is the meaning of both the scholastic and co-scholastic world. Maybe I am not good in math or science. I am good in cooking. I can go for the master chef. I can make my name and my country name. So always focus your interest. Never focus on education too. Always maintain the balance. And
True, true,
fourth
true.
thing is to mental strongness. It means if anyone try to demoralize you, never give your happiness key to other person. Your happiness, वो बोल दिया तो मुझे बुरा लगा, मैं चल रहा हूँ सुसाइड कर दूंगा, ये कर दूंगा, वो मुझे क्यों बोला, ऐसा तो बोलना नहीं चाहिए था. It means you are giving the happiness key of yourself
We
to
should
other
not
person.
depend on anyone
Yes.
else for our happiness, right?
डेफिनेटली वो बोल दिया, वो बोला अपने लिए बोला, थोड़े ना मुझे बोला. मुझे बोलता है तो बोलने दो. दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग टू डील विथ एवरी सिचुएशन. And
Absolutely.
fourth thing is to always share your feelings with one, at least one trustworthy person. That sharing
Trustworthy
is,
person.
yes, sharing, if you will share something means you are releasing your pain, your emotion will go to definitely share. This is the thing we can decrease our stress.
I would say, like, as we are reaching towards the end of this conversation, I would say I never imagined that ये conversation इतना अच्छा जाएगा. I would feel so connected with each and every statement of Bijeta ma'am, of Sheetal, and also of Smita ma'am, especially because the thing she said about happiness is the best thing I have learned during this pandemic. So that is my personal experience.
So Vijeta ma'am, nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here. Same here. And
Yeah.
I learned something great from you today.
No,
And it's
ma'am, I
nice
also
to meet
learned.
you. Yeah, nice to
We
meet
will
you.
get connected with
Yeah,
each
yeah,
other.
absolutely,
Thank you so
absolutely,
much.
absolutely.
We can make our own team, that trustworthy person. Definitely, we
So,
will
Sorry,
do
sorry,
that.
sorry, sorry. I just got another call on a different phone. So now coming towards the end of this session, this conversation, the best thing I learned from Vijeta ma'am, from Smita ma'am, and Sheetal, that you should focus on yourself. You should focus on your happiness. Then you work on yourself, and the things will eventually fall into place. Education is not only about learning literal things. It is about learning things that make you feel happy and you feel connected with, and you will excel in that. So this conversation is not it initially started about talking about exams and education of the way it is going in the present time, but it ended on a very good note that you should always give importance to your own happiness. So thank you, Bijeta ma'am, thank you, Smita
thank
ma'am,
you so
and
much.
thank you,
Thank you
Sheetal, for
so much.
joining us in the conversation. And
Thank
to our
you.
viewers, I would say, yeah. So to our viewers, I would say that कैंडिड कॉन्वर्सेशंस का ये सीजन 2 शुरू हो चुका है और हम ऐसे ही टॉपिक्स पे आगे आपसे मिलते रहेंगे. सो सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड लाइक टू आवर वीडियो एंड स्टे ट्यून फॉर मोर अपडेट्स. थैंक यू
Thank you
सो
so much.
मच.
So
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
बाय
Bye.
बाय बाय.
Bye.